If you find that your upper rack is very difficult to pull out, or possibly even the rack is dropping down into the tub, it may be your rails are worn out or bent and would need to be replaced. The first thing you're going to do is open the door of your dishwasher. You're going to need to remove the end clips from the rails. You'll do that just by pushing the finger in on the clip and sliding it up off the rail. And there'll be one on the other side as well. Just slide the rail outwards, and again push the locking finger of the tab in, and then just push it upwards. And once it's up, then you can just pull the clip straight out. Set that to one side, and you can push your rails back in, and you can slide your rack right out of place. So now that we have the rack out of place, we can just set it down, and in order to remove our rails, we just bring our rail forward, and they have the same kind of keeper on the end that they did on the front. So we just need to release those end clips. Same idea, just push in the tab. Just slide the clip up, pull it back out of the rail, and that's how easy it is to remove the rails for your upper rack.